Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is toxic cyanobacteria bloom.
A study confirms that nearly 400 elephants in Botswana's Okavango Delta died due to poisoning from toxic algae in waterholes exacerbated by climate change. The die-off occurred in May-June 2020 and previous theories regarding cyanide poisoning and infections were ruled out. Researchers from King's College London have confirmed the cause of death through remote sensing and analysis of the affected water sources. The study highlights the growing threat of harmful algal blooms due to climate change impacting wildlife and ecosystems.
Drishti IAS is excited to announce its first offline batch of IAS GS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at Noida Center. Hindi medium batch will start on 9th December and English medium batch will start from 12th December. For more details, call us on 9311 406 440 or visit us at C171/2 Block A, Sector 15, Noida, UP, near Metro Station Noida, Sector 15. So hurry, book your seats now.
Now moving on to key findings of the study. Elephants drank from stagnant water holes where toxic blue-green algae had bloomed. The algae blooms were linked to climate-induced shifts, including high rainfall following a period of drought. Elephants exhibited abnormal behavior before dying, such as walking in circles, indicating neurological symptoms of poisoning. The study provides conclusive evidence that toxic algae, not other causes like infections or cyanide, was responsible for the deaths. Now let's discuss about impact of climate change on biodiversity. The increase in harmful algal blooms is a direct consequence of climate change with rising temperatures and altered rainfall patterns. Climate change is intensifying the risk of environmental changes, leading to the spread of invasive species like toxic algae. These blooms not only affect elephants but pose a broader threat to biodiversity and the health of ecosystems. Scientists warn of future mass die-offs of wildlife if climate change continues to disrupt ecological balances. Now is the time for practice question. Which factor led to the increase in harmful cyanobacteria blooms? High temperature, overgrazing, climate-induced shifts in rainfall, or pollution? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.